Okay, guys, hello. I'm gonna be making a gift basket for a man today, and we're gonna have two options. So the options is gonna be one is gonna be like an alcoholic gift basket, and another one is gonna be a non-alcoholic gift basket. Okay, guys. So the first thing we're gonna need is we're gonna need a little basket, like a container, and I am going to do the non-alcoholic one first. All right, the non-alcoholic one first. So the inside of the bucket looks like this. All right, and I have my alcohol over here. Have some Evodia, some strong stuff here, and I'm just gonna put it in here. And I will show you. It has a little groove in there where the bottle could just fit in there really well. So you see how it looks? When you put a bucket in, it's like in there, really nice. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put some little pieces of some of these decorative stuff inside here. Types of it. I mean two versions of gift baskets for the man. Two versions. And I have another one here. It's Gold Strike California 2015 Chardonnay Lodi. So I'm going to put this in here right next to this one. And this one is Mumpertone or Mumpertone. I can't even pronounce this thing because you know it's really good. And this was the year 2009. Okay, so this should be really good. And it's Prunato. I don't know if you guys could see it, but it says Prunato. Yeah, this is the way the bottle looks. So this is some good wine here. So I'm just gonna put them in here. You know. Make sure they fit nicely. And what I'm going to do now is I am going to get another piece. And what I'm going to do next is I'm just going to get some of the confetti, the decorative shred. And this I bought by the dollar store, by Dollar Tree. So I'm just going to put some of this inside of there to give it like a nice look. Make the person really be surprised. Okay, so this is blue. I'm going to stick some all over here. And what I'm going to do next is, so this is how it's looking. It's a little heavy there. And what I'm doing next is, I'm just trying to lay the paper down around the basket so you can give it like a neat look, you know. And what I'm going to do next is, I am going to put a little tie on the top of it. So I have a little tie off. This is how the tie off looks. A little piece of wire. I'm going to tie off the top of it. trying to make sure I don't rip the bag. So I tied up the top, and I have a little chevron looking ribbon with green and red and silver in it. So I'm going to just try to put that on the top part of the where I tied off. Maybe like make a little bow or something to the top of it. What I'm going to do is just put it around here. I'm going to make a little bow to the front of it. So I tied my little bow on the my little chevron bow on top, and yeah, this is basically it. What I might do is get another bow and like put to the front of it. I will give it a little pizzazz, because you know I love wrapping up these things and making it so special. So I could put like a little bow maybe right here. So I'm just doing it. I'm just doing it as I go. You see, you guys are right here, and I'm just doing it, trying to do it to suit. Okay. Okay. And yeah, this is it. This is your wrapped bottle. See, inside of it is so heavy. And there we go. This is it. This is it. The back of it. And this is the front of it. So you see? That's it, guys. Sharing you some more tips of making 2 gifts. This is the first version. This is the alcoholic version. And we're going to have the non-alcoholic version now. Okay? So stay tuned, guys. If you made it this far, like, comment, subscribe. Okay? All right. So now we're going to make the non-alcoholic gift basket for him. And basically what you're going to need is you're going to need a basket. This basket, I'm reusing it. I had some, I think it was Bath and Body Works or some kind of stuff in here. It was lotion or whatever, but it's a beautiful gift basket, beautiful basket, wooden, and all the trimmings is so beautiful. This is the inside of it. This is the outside. So what I'm going to do, line it a little bit with some wrapping paper, wrapping tissue, I should say. And I have this beautiful perfume for a man. It is by Halston. Don't know if you guys can see that. It's too small to even. Yeah, by Halston, but the smell is, whew, the smell is wonderful. The smell is wonderful. So I have this. I have hair and body wash for a man by Zer. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it really well. And this was bought by Marshalls. Okay, and I think it was like about $12.99 for this. I'm gonna just stick this in here. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give this a little height. Give the perfume a little height in there. Give it a little height. Give it a little height in there. Yeah. So, and I have a Mustang shower gel by the company Mustang that make cars. I have that. Got that by Marshalls also. So this is going to be like a care package. And this is also energizing shower gel by Beverly Hills for men. So this is going to go in here too. And what I also have is, last but not least, I have this pair of socks by Van Heusen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to roll up the socks. Roll up the socks. And I'm going to like put it in there. And this perfume could go in the back. And I have one more Mustang shave balm, aftershave balm. Okay, Mustang. It's gonna go in here. This is like a care package. It's like a really self-care, self-care package. And what I have too, I have this man's bracelet for a man. Really nice. And this will go in this little box here. And I will just try to fit it in here. Okay. And last but not least, I have a tie. A bow tie. So I am going to put the bow tie. Like in here. And I'm trying to fit it as I go for it to be absolutely amazing. So this is how the package is going to look. This is how it's going to look. Let me give the perfume a little height. A little height in there. The perfume a little height. And this could go at the side here. I'm just trying to fit it as I go. Trying to get a really good spot for it. So this is like how it's going to be looking. Okay. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some of the famous, you know what, these little and I'm going to mix it up with some red also. Let's give it a nice look. So it's gonna look like this. I'm gonna stick some more blue in there. So this is how it's gonna look. It's gonna look really special. And what I'm going to do next is I am going to find a little bow around it. This one I don't think I'll be using any gift bag to put on it, but I'm just showing you another way of, you could do a gift basket. So you could put the bag on it, or if you don't want to put a bag on it, it's your choice. Okay, it's your choice. It's perfectly fine. Okay, you are the master of what you want to do, and just try to make it as beautiful as possible for the person receiving it. Silver bow around there, and knowing me, I'm looking for, like, let me see, what else can I put? Can I put something else on here? Let's see. Maybe I can use back the chevron bow. We'll see how that goes. Let me see. Yeah, I'm going to use the chevron and see how it's going to look. I actually put the chevron bow on it. And what I'm going to do is just put a little bit of tape to the back of it. So I can hold it up. And I'm just trying to tweak it to see. And put some more tape that it can stay to the top. So this is how the this is how the back looks, right? And this is how the front look and the side. So I just did a little side bow, and yeah, that's it. This is it, guys. End of it, guys. Okay, so inside here we have our perfume and our lotions, our body washes, our aftershave balm, our little bracelet in here, our tie is here all hidden, the socks is in here, and yeah, this is it, guys. This is it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for looking, guys. Thank you for being a part of my journey with my channel. If you like what you see, please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you're gonna try this. It's a really, really fun activity. You're putting your own flavor, your love and everything into this gift for a friend, for somebody who you love. Okay, so thank you so much. You've been awesome, and much love to you. Bye. See you. Okay, see you.